Today's featured product is going to be the French Drain Man's catch basin. The most popular catch basin is our sediment trap that's in 1 gallon. I'm going to show you your two options in a 4-inch and 6-inch, and I'm going to explain to you how to use it. The 6-inch catch basin is a favorite. If you're deep, especially if you're deep, we have risers. If your line is really deep, that'll help you get to grade. We actually have a 5-inch riser, 5x6, slip fit, easy to use. So we have a 6-inch grate that goes in the center. You can use it with or without a turf plate. It is very popular with the turf plate. Keep this in mind that this turf plate has 1% slope. So the water on a 1% slope is drawn into our full throttle 6-inch grate, which is, as you can see, the most open and has the most inlet 6-inch grate on the market. We absolutely love this. Easy, it just slips right on. If you don't want the turf plate, you don't have to have the turf plate. We have a solid 6-inch plug too, in case you're just using this for a clean out and you're not taking in water like for a yard drain. Now 50% of the time, you're going to need an 1.5-inch riser. And the other half of the time, you won't need a riser at all. So note that. If your line is really deep, and we get some pretty deep lines, we do have a 5-inch riser that helps get you to grade quickly. These stack in any configuration. You can have a 5-inch riser and 2.5-inch risers for an 8-inch lift, for example. They stack real easy. They slip together. They're watertight, no glue, no screws, slip fit, super easy to install. Now our 4-inch catch basin is really popular for downspout lines. It's used most commonly with a solid plug and our 12-inch round turf plate. It also has risers. Again, the same rules apply. 50% of the time you're going to need a riser. And the other half you won't need a riser. These are 2 inches lift and they stack on one another. So if you need to go 4 inches or 6 inches because your line is deeper, and you can get it up to grade. Now these come with a female adapter on one end, a male adapter on the other, so that you can hook it up male to female with the direction of flow. This was a quick overview of the French Drain Man's 4-inch and 6-inch catch basin. Now keep in mind, all these components also come in black. If you want to just put this in your landscape and let it get lost in the shadows. And our 4-inch catch basin, you have the option of the solid plug or our full throttle. Again, you can see our inlet on our grate is the most open of any grate on the market. Our 4 and 6-inch grates take in more water than any of the competitors. All right, everybody, let me know what product you'd like me to do an overview on next.
If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions about yard drainage, leave them in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.